In which year did independent India win its first Olympic gold medal? So the correct answer is 1948. What is the currency of Japan? So the correct answer is yen. What is the largest city in Sri Lanka? So the correct answer is Colombo. The national game of Bhutan is? So the correct answer is archery. Name the first ever female prime minister in the world. So the correct answer is Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Which is the second largest artificial lake in Asia? So the correct answer is Deva Lake in Rajasthan. The author of all famous Harry Potter series is? So the correct answer is J.K. Rowling. In which Indian state is the Flaming Festival celebrate? So the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.